So while we talk about this act, definitely, I mean, it's just coming to specifically DPDP Act when we talked on a global context, but talking about DPDP in terms of its provision, scope, or intent of the act, how does this act, talk about rights of individual under DPDP, and how do we compare these with global acts?
Um, So, Isha, like just to start with, I think, as I said earlier, our law is a blend of both GDPR and CCPA, and that's clear from the objective part of that, where it says an act to protect the right of individuals' data protection, and also businesses needs to process personal data for business purpose. So I think both of these are coming together there. And when coming specifically to rights of data principles in that, I think I see every other right that is available in all the global jurisdictions. So if we build out certain principles, right, like what are the basic data subjects rights principles? So right to access and erasure is of course there in our jurisdiction. Right to update and correction. Right to deletion is there. One thing unique that is to India is obviously right to nominate, which is not there in any other global jurisdiction except for Philippines, I think, where they talk about some posthumous right, but not in the sense that we have right to nominate in the country. And lastly, right of grievance redressal. Again, I think getting insights from CCPA as a consumer law. If something is done to my data, I have a grievance redressal. I think these are there obviously in some form or manner. And when I think of or try to map it with the principles that I see, data protection principles, data minimization is there that you have to collect only what is required from my end, right? Uh, Authenticity, accuracy, minimization and purpose limitation is of course there, right? And right to withdraw consent in that simple manner in which I give it. I think transparency and accountability is being enshrined there. I think only difference that I can think of from my experience is right to data portability as such, which is spoken about in GDPR, is not there in our laws. Or for that matter, right to specifically opt out, which is there in CCPA, is not there in that form. But obviously, when I talk about right to withdraw consent, and when I read it with right that specific purpose limitation, I think that is also read between the lines. So that's all. I think in essence, all the data protection laws are giving these 5 6 minimum rights to a data principle. And when I join all this with the consent and notice requirement, I think the picture becomes more clear that you have to tell me these rights. When what rights I have with you, you only have to tell me. You only have to tell me how I have to go to data protection board. So I think in that sense, very basic controls have been given to data principles in the Indian DPDPA as well.